some good matches once again. And जो कल से आप लोगों ने form पकड़ा है, I'm sure this is going to go till the end. All the best, guys, and all the best, my brother. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next, we've got a great match which is already happening right out there, and for that, may I request my brother Mitesh to please go ahead with the same one, man. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Manish. A bit of in the air, chance for the catch. Bit of shot of the fielder. So once again, welcome back to the Brookfield Premier League. Those are Pachis. Season 5 and one more encounter. Started already on. And very good running words. A big shout to the umpire, but one run taken. So Leap Titans taking up with Leela Legends. News from the center. Leela Legends won the toss, elected to field first. They invited Leap Titans to bat. 4 गेंद 2 रन कोई विकेट नहीं. And that's connected hard, hit hard. Only a single. Elango and Gitanjali, the opening pair. Last ball of the first over. Trying to swing the bat. Good start from Rajesh Das. एक ओवर के बाद 3 रन कोई विकेट नहीं. लीप टाइटंस. That's gone high in the air. Oh, he cleared the fence. Sixer. Excellent timing. Straight down the ground. Get a maximum. He's got the maximum indeed. Clean strike. That's a signature Villa hit, limited edition, no replica available. Oh, this time what happened? Looking to play for a big one. Was there any outside edge or he dropped it? That's clever bowling by Murli, but still a good hit. Single by Elango. 1.310 for no loss. Good start from Leap Titans. They made a strong comeback after the first match. They lost. Oh, well left, well left. Down the leg side for wide. Mr. Devasa signaling that. Straight to the fielder. Looking to play a cut shot. Good bowling from Murli. Good comeback. That's clever, better, good bowling. End of the over. 2 gone, 11 for no loss. Leap Titans. So 2 gone, 12 for no loss. Let's see what special they will do, Leap Titans. New bowler Ramesh comes into the attack. Strong contender, Elango on strike. Very confident to hit one more. Oh, he left, but it's like a good delivery, fair delivery, good bowling. He thought the ball going outside off, but no. A clever bowling by Ramesh. Once again, looking play a slight touch, swing and a miss. Yet another dot ball. Good start from Ramesh. Good bowling line and length. Challenge given to Elango. And is continuously bowling, but this time just going outside off line. And looking to play across the line by across the line by Elango. Oh, that's a gentle touch and single taken. Very quick. He's going for one more run. And why? What happened? Mix up there and out. Maybe that was not the second run. They need to go for it. And they went and they lost. One more wicket fall. Good fielding. And that's out. Oh, is that indeed it's at first wicket? Yeah, the first wicket fall. So we have the updated score 14 for 1 after 2.2. Oh, that's good bowling. Fuller one. Looking to play at cover region, but missed it completely. That's up and over. When outside the park, as per the rule book, only a single run. That been given as a wide by umpire Mr. Jitendra. Outside the off-stump line. That's gone high in the air. And easy catch. Caught and bowled by Ramesh. A one more wicket fall of Leap Titans. Back in the match. Leela Legends. (16 for 2) after end of the over number 3. 3 ओवर के बाद 16 पे 2 लीप टाइटन. 3 ओवर के बाद 16 पे 2 लीप टाइटंस. Let's see what's going to happen in the next over. We have a dangerous batter. Elango still on the crease. And with him, Naveen joins the party. Right arm round the wicket, very well left by the batter. Good presence of mind to get that extra run added to the total. "17 for 2. Mari. Oh, very much high. That went directly to Trivandrum. Only a one run, but so Mari will bowl to Naveen. Outside edge, looking to play for big one. Lucky there over the wicket keeper. So Mari was a hero of the player of the match of the previous match. One of the cutest contender. Looking to smash, but completely missed it. You have a look at the action replay on the screen. 19 पे 2, 3.3 लीप टाइटंस. Is that outside edge taken in the second time? Yes. Mari gets it. That's gone. This is how you save the account balance at the month end. That's the wicket keeper has shown that second attempt taken. Murli behind the stumps. 3.4, 19 पे 3 लीप टाइटंस. Balakrishnan comes down to the center. So good bowling from Mari. 3 runs conceded only in 4 balls and 1 wicket. Here we go. Ready. Right arm round the wicket. Waited for the ball, looking for that uppercut shot. Completely missed it. Yet another dot ball. Yet another effective, efficient bowling by Mari. 3.5, 19 पे 3. 100 के आखिरी गेंद करेंगे. इस बार और एक मारने की कोशिश, लेकिन बेहतरीन ओवर. मात्र 3 रन और मिला है विकेट. अजब गजब क्रिकेट. 4 ओवर 19 पे 3 लीप टाइटंस. Ramesh to continue. Wow, that's very good shot. Good. Well played. Only a single. So Alan goes still on the crease. 13 of 12. He got a 1 big hit. And let's see Balakrishnan. Yet to open his account. Going just outside the off-stump line for wide. "21 for 3. Let's see. Leap Titans. Bowling the fuller one and good bowling. So good comeback. Uh-oh. One more wide. So 1 wide, 0 wide of the over so far. One more, one more. Just losing his momentum. Let's see. Need to come back with some strong strategy. Ramesh really bowled well indeed. Of 8 runs given only 1 wicket. Three wides in this over so far. A bit of shuffle by the batter. Oh, that's why he got confused. And one more wide. What is the strategy from the batter? Shuffling from left and right. He lost the bowler's momentum. That's better. Bowling the tossed up delivery, bit of misfield. Will they come back for 2? Changing the bowling side from right arm over to right arm round the wicket. And this time 2 runs added or 1 run. Umpires have the power to say that 2 runs. 26 पे 3, 4.3 लीप टाइटंस. Ramesh to Balakrishnan. Oh, started really good, but many extras coming in. So yet another wide down the leg side. 5 wides in this over so far. This time much better. That's what the umpires are professional. They know absolutely. Fantastic. 2 ball left in this over. 27 for 3. Tossed up delivery high in the air. Safe landing. Square leg umpire signaling no ball, and that's no ball, and coming up the free hit. A license to hit for a big one. And Balakrishnan, or is that Elango on strike? Elango. That's gone high in the air. Good effort by the fielder at long off, but went for 6 runs. Hit hard. Gone very much high in the air. Jumping effort, great effort. 100 marks for the effort. 6 runs. Second 6 of the innings. And that's 2 hit by Elango. Oh, that's bit of helicopter shot. उड़ा दिया है. 2 रन लेंगे या 1 रन? 1 रन से संतुष्ट होंगे. Is that end of the over? Yes. 5 ओवर के बाद 36 पे 3 लीप टाइटंस. So 17 runs conceded in the last over, and that's what the Leap Titans will be happy for that. They got many runs in the previous over. 5 ओवर 36 पे 3. अब आने वाले 2 ओवर में देखना होगा लीप टाइटंस की अब यहाँ पर कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा होगा जरूर. Now who is the bowler to get restrict for the couple overs over left? And who is that batsman? Balakrishnan on Elango will continue his momentum. Maybe Balakrishnan also go for big one, or he will give strike to Elango because he is in good touch. Well, that's one more shot. Good bowling. Helicopter shot. Swinging the bat in style. And once again, looking for two, only settled for single. Ramesh, the fielder, standing at long on. Oh, that's now Elengo now on strike. 21 of 15 with two big hits. Looking to swing, miss completely. Good bowling from Mari. Only 5 runs conceded, 1 wicket in 1.3 overs of his bowling spell. पटकी हुई गेंद और एक बेहतरीन डिलीवरी. क्वेश्चन पूछा अंपायर्स को, लेकिन सही बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंस बाय मारी. यहां पर थोड़ा परेशान करेंगे एक सेट बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज को. गुड कमबैक by Leela Legends. Dancing down the track, and that's the quick stumping. Lightning speed like MS Dhoni. Stumps shattered and gone, but make some noise for Elengo. Very well played, buddy. Two big hits, 21 of 18. Excellent batting performance. He has done the job for the team. And rest job is remaining for the middle order batter. After Balakrishnan. After Elengo, who will join with Balakrishnan. Let's see. Deena coming at number 6. Coming up the last ball of the 6th over. Oh, that's very good bowling by Mari. So that's good comeback by Team Leela Legends. In the previous over of Ramesh, 17 runs were conceded. And in this over, previous over, only 2 runs. So that's a comeback. जो नुकसान किया था वो उसका भरपाई हो गई है. 6 ओवर 38 पे 4. अब आखिरी ओवर इस पहली पारी. That's the game of cricket, roller coaster ride. यहां पर भेज दिया है आर पार. सिंगल. Zena to bowl the final over of the first inning. 2 runs, 40 for 4, last 5 balls. That's gone, and went for 6 runs. Connected well by Balakrishnan. Oh, we have Whistle Podu in the commentary box. 46 for 4, last 4 balls coming up. This is the advantage over for Team Leap Titan. This time swing and a miss. Good comeback by Zena. 3 गेंद बचे हैं. 46 पे 4. क्या और एक बड़ा हिट. इस बार बहुत ही फुलर, but down the leg side, umpire Mr. Jitendra signaling that wide. 47 for 4, last 3 balls. In the air, safe at covers, single taken. 48 पे 4, आखिरी 2 गेंद देखना होगा. क्या 2 बड़े हिट कर देंगे मैच को सुपर हिट. देखना होगा. लीप टाइटंस. In the air, chance. Oh, Ramesh tried it to get that, but 1 more 6. Leap Titans के 50 run पूरे. Make some noise for Team Leap Titans, everybody. Good effort by the fielder that long on. Went for a maximum hit. This time Dina joins the party. Oh, one more wide. 55 on the total. It will be the challenging to chase for Leela Legends. Interesting to watch in the second innings. Last ball of the first innings. Oh, that's a fair delivery. It's a good end by Zena. Though she conceded 16 runs, but final ball, she restrict. 7 ओवर के बाद. Oh, is that wide? Oh, no. That's dot ball. So end of the over number 7, 55 for 4. और जीत के लिए चाहिए 56 रन. रन्स बनाए हैं 55. याद आया मेरा बचपन. Top scorer Elango 19 of 13. Balakrishnan also joins the party. Excellent batting performance by Leap Titans. And a challenge total to come. But before we have the next match, toss ka boss over to Manish Shukla.
Okay, moving on to the next. For the Tosca boss, we've got two crazy teams. One back in the form, back-to-back 2 wins and smashing their opponents like anything. And the another team are again they've got the wins, the hat trick of the wins so far. PIL Panthers. May I request Nishtha to please join us for the Tosca boss. Good to see you, Nishtha. And now, may I request the captain of Team PIL Panthers to please join on the right, and the captain of Team BAM Blasters on the left. Perfect. So, who'll give the call? Vishnu Bhai, let's go. Nishtha. Tails is the call, and heads it is. Congratulations. Hold on, you do not go anywhere. What do you like to go for?
We are going to bowl first.
Okay, perfect. Any specific strategies?
No, I just looking to do the same thing. Yeah.
And I'm sure you guys back in form, so you people going to be having a good cricket. So all the best, my brother. May the best team wins. Just a second. Which team are you supporting?
BAM Blasters.
Why?
My husband is playing for that.
Who's your husband?
My
Mayang, where is Mayang? This man? This guy? Who's your favorite player other than Mayang in this team?
Akshay sir is playing pretty well, and then Purav is also there.
Kya baat hai. Well, let me say this. Everybody's playing really well, and especially those two girls and Rinky. Well, Rinky's in this team, right? Full power to you. High five from there. Great stuff you're doing in this match that you've played. Thank you so much, Nishtha. Vishnu bhai, unfortunately didn't win the toss. जीतते तो क्या लेते?
नहीं मैं नहीं बोलूँगा कि मैं हम बैटिंग लेना चाहते थे
चलो मुबारकबाद भगवान करे आप जीत जाओ एंड ऑल द बेस्ट भाई ग्रेट स्टफ थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू पीआईएल पैंथर्स तो चैंपियंस है भाई चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे के मैच की तरफ थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much, Manish. Coming back to the match. पर्वत जैसा लक्ष्य दिया है अब लीप टाइटंस ने a good comeback after the first match they lost. It's Leela Legends to chase 56. So we have the opening pair from Leela Legends, Keshav and Rajesh, and Muthu Vijay already started the proceedings from Leap Titans. Going down the leg side for wide, trying to bowl the fuller one. The required run rate of 8 and Karan started with 6, only 3 balls. That's gone high in the air. Oh, that's a good effort by the fielder to stop. Great work. चार गेंद 4 रन, कोई यहाँ पर विकेट नहीं, कोई खतरा नहीं. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. ओ यहाँ पर हिटिंग एट द साइड ऑफ द टर्फ नेट. 5 गेंद 5 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Is that Indy? That's 2 runs. 5 गेंद 6 रन. Bouncing down the track, looking for a play for big one. Went at point region. A good effort by the fielder. Just a single. A good start from Leap Titan, the bowling attack. 1 ओवर 7 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. So 1 was gone, 7 for no loss. They need 49 from 36 balls. 49 रन की दरकार है 36 गेंदों में. Oh, that's a typical shot played like Adam Gilchrist. Sent back, chance for the run out, mixing. There's some mix up there. Good fielding, good throw. And concluded finally with only 1 run. That's clever, good bowling from Prem Kumar. A bit of slow in variation, changing, confusing the batsman completely. Oh, that's wind. Very much gone outside the park. You will get how many runs? 1 run or 2 runs? 1 run. 1 run. Bouncing down the track in the air and taken at mid-wicket region. First wicket fall. Celebration on the field. Leap Titans. Dancing down the track looking for a big one. Has not got the proper elevation to play that. And the first wicket fall. A sigh of relief for Leap Titans. That's a good catch taken by Manoj Kumar there. 1.3, 10 पर 1. 33 गेंदों में 46 runs. Attacking fielding for Zena, the new batter coming at number 3. She tried to swing the bat across the line, completely missed it. Good stop, good stop. That's the reason why they have that attacking fielding. Good bowling from Prem Kumar, just 3 runs conceded. Is that end of the over? 2 overs gone, 10 for 1, 30 balls left, 46 to get. The difference of 16. One big over needed for Leela Legends to get the match in their pocket. 2 ओवर के बाद 10 पर 1, 30 गेंदों में 46 रन की दरकार. Rajesh back on strike, the left-hander. And the new bowler. That's good bowling by Nivea. Went for dot ball. 2.1, 10 for 1. 29 balls, 46. Straight to the fielder at square leg. 2.2, 10 पर 1. लीला लेजेंड्स थोड़े शफल हुए बैट्समैन और कंफ्यूज कर दिया निविया को. मिला यहां पर वाइड, अतिरिक्त रन अकाउंट में जुड़ गए हैं लीला लेजेंड्स के. टॉस्टर डिलीवरी, जोरदार प्रहार भेज दिया है लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र के पास. 1 ही रन से संतुष्ट होंगे. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग वहां पर. Nivea now will bowl to Zena. Woman athlete versus woman athlete. Oh, taken that. Wow. Excellent taken. Great work. Looking to swing, looking to clear. But very good catch. Excellent taken. So beautiful, so elegant. Just looking like a wow. Good catch taken by Muthu Vijay. 2.4, 12 पे 2. Leela Legends. So Nivea got the breakthrough. छब्बीस गेंद और 44 रन की दरकार है. थोड़ा मुश्किल हो गया है अब इक्वेशन. प्रेशर है लीला लेजेंड्स को. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. मौका. Oh, he takes it! Would you believe it? What a catch he's taken that. Running forward, and just have a look at that on the big screen if you missed it. This is absolutely fab. One of the greatest catch of the tournament so far we have witnessed. Wow. इन्होंने तो मोहम्मद कैफ की याद दिला दी है. What a catch. Batted really well. And now fielding. Alan Go, wow, fantastic. Nivea got one more. She's on a hat trick, but oh, just going down the leg side. She was on a hat trick. What a comeback by Leap Titans. And that's gone, cleared the fence. Directly hitting on the presentation. Sixer. Ramesh at his best. Cleaned it perfection. No pressure at all. After losing the wicket. Nivea really bowled well, but the damage done by Ramesh to hit that 6th last ball of the previous over. 9 runs of that over. 2 wickets for Nivea. 3 ओवर के बाद 19 पे 3, 24 गेंदों में 37 रन की दरकार. 37 to get from 24 balls. Interesting to watch. Ramesh off the mark straight away. And he knows he is giving many runs in the bowling. Now it's the time to just do a backup for the team, that he can score, he can bat well, and he proved himself. First ball off the mark with a 6. Lefty-righty combination once again. Will burn the calories of the opposition. 3 over 19 पे 3. And who's going to bowl the next one? Prem Kumar will continue. 1 over 3 for 1. Dancing down the track. Play to the mid-wicket region for a single. So now he's giving the strike to Ramesh. 36 रन और 23 गेंद. 2 बड़े हिट इम्पैक्ट कर सकते हैं. Sensible batting, going back foot and sent back, and direct hit could be the chance. Lucky there. It's a good call there by Ramesh to Rajesh. That could be the loss for the one more wicket, but the lucky there. Rajesh. Outside edge, chance for the wicket keeper. Single taken. 35 runs and 21 balls. The required run rate went rising now. 10 runs every over. And currently they are only 6. 10 रन के रफ्तार से अब बैटिंग करने की ज़रूरत है लीला लेजेंड्स को. फिलहाल बॉल टू बॉल उनका स्कोर है जारी. Presence of mind well left by the batter, going down the leg side for wide. Umpire Mr. Deva signaling that. 34 रन 21 गेंद. Down the track, high in the air, miles in the air. Oh, he drops it. Lucky there, the batter. Yet another 2 runs. Elengo drops it. He tried to take that one more attempt, but he dropped it. Looking for a big connect. Oh, what happened there? Yet another dot ball. 19 balls and 32 runs. The equation is rising. The required run rate is rising indeed. Oh, that's good shot. Went outside the park. How many runs they will get? As per the rule book. So 4 overs gone, 25 for 3, 31 to get from 18 balls. Every over 10 runs. Ten, 10 and 11. Ramesh and Rajesh. जिम्मेदारी है दोनों बल्लेबाज को. देखना होगा क्या मैच को परिवर्तन करेंगे. एक बड़ा ओवर जरूरी है और एक डिफेंडिंग ओवर जरूरी है फ्रॉम लीप टाइटंस. इज दैट एलेंगो इन बॉलिंग. यस, ये गेम चेंजिंग ओवर हो सकता है. उठा दिया है बहुत ही ऊपर. Oh, still a bit of misjudgment to take that. Went miles in the air. And 2 more runs added. This is going tough for both the teams now. Pressure on both the teams. $29 to get from 17 balls. 29 रन चाहिए 17 गेंदों में यही ओवर है, यही ओवर है। कुछ तो मैच परिवर्तन करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इस बार अच्छी बॉलिंग, गुड फील्डिंग। Good stop by Dina at short cover to save that single. Very short. That's a good captaincy. That's hit hard in the air. Will they come back for two? Going for second. Get 2 runs added to the total. 29 for 3. 27 to get from 15 balls. 15 गेंद और 27 रन, 2 बड़े हिट जरूरी है लीला लेजेंड्स को। उठा दिया है बहुत ही ऊपर। Oh no, once again a bit of misjudgment, and this has gone very much high into the sky. Almost took 2-3 seconds more. Ramesh hitting it high, but let's see if he can hit flat bit to get that 6. Outside edge, lucky there. Over the wicketkeeper. He tried to take that, a jumping effort by the wicketkeeper. 1 more run added. 13 गेंदों में 24 run, getting very tough. The equation. The required run is rising now. 11-12 around. Every over the required run rate. Last ball of the 5th over. That's gone. Outside the park. 1 run they will get. 5 over के बाद 33 for 3. 23 to get from 12 balls. 11.50 required run rate. 12 balls and 23. Is that one good over? Will get Leap Titans the winning ticket or one big over? Leela Legends. किसको मिलेगा winning ticket? कौन किसको देगा टक्कर और कौन बनेगा इस मैच का मुकद्दर का सिकंदर? 5 ओवर के बाद 33 पे 3 खटक। Once again, high in the air, and that was a good catch beyond the boundary lines. Who is that catcher beyond the boundary lines? Is a Bam Blasters having a catch practice there? One more big hit. किधर भेज दिया है? सीधे चेन्नई. See that 1-6 and 1 run now. The equation says 16 needed from 10 balls. मैच को टफ कर दिया है, क्लोज कर दिया है, और यही है ब्यूटी ऑफ क्रिकेट. Interesting to watch now. 10 balls, 16 runs to get. Up and over, played safe. Single. अभी भी कोशिश जारी है, दोनों टीम लग रही है भारी. 9 गेंदों में 15. This partnership looking dangerous. 15 of 28, 20 to 15. In the air. Oh, we're talking about the partnership, but the partnership has been broken by Muthu Vijay. तो ये है क्रिकेट का खेल. अजब गजब खेल है. That's a good catch taken there at mid-wicket region. One more wicket fall. Interesting to watch. 15 रन की दरकार 8 गेंदों में. What a match! What a match! Very well played by Rajesh Das. 11 of 14 balls. Ramesh is batting really well. Look at the strike rate, 200. Murli, new batter. Swing and a miss. Excellent bowling by Muthu Vijay. Strong bowling action. Strong bowling point. And this is strong work by Muthu Vijay to defending that score. 7 गेंद 15 रन चाहिए. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में. मौका है and bit of misjudgment trying for the run out. No. 2 runs taken. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मैच है. 13 रन चाहिए 6 गेंदों में. लीला लेजेंड्स या लीप टाइटंस, तो कौन जीतेगा दोस्तों? लीला लेजेंड्स या लीप टाइटंस? 6 गेंद 13 रन. क्या तेरा क्या मेरा, पर कैमरा बोले मेरा ब्रॉडकास्टिंग है मेरा. 6 ओवर 43 for 4. Interesting to watch. Silence out here. What's umpire's call? That's directly timbered, shattered. The stumps, timbered, shattered, dreams scattered. Very good bowling. That's a magical, stupendo, fantabulously fantastic, majorically magical performance. Oh wow, whistle podu. विक्ट्री की सिटी बजी है. देखना होगा, अभी भी मैच खत्म हुआ नहीं है. 5 गेंदों में 13 रन की दरकार. देखना होगा अब किसकी सरकार. ओ गुड बॉलिंग बट नो. कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. क्या अंपायर बोले? व्हाट्स द सिग्नल बाय द अंपायर? नो बॉल एंड कमिंग अप द फ्री हिट. गेटिंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. One more, we will witness the nail biting finish. क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? यही है क्रिकेट का खेल. अजब गजब खेल. ना तलवार, ना शस्त्र, ना दोस्त, ना मित्र. ये खेल है बड़ा विचित्र. And coming up the bonus hit, free hit, 5 गेंद 12 रन. यही मौका है एक बड़े हिट मारने के लिए. ऋषभ, no ball cancel. Oh, my bad. Okay. Umpire has a reverse signal of no ball cancel. Oh, that's played offside. That's indeed a long off. So Manish, बहुत ही टफ मैच हुआ है. 12 रन चाहिए 3 गेंदों में, 2 बड़े हिट.
लीप टाइटंस काबिले तारीफ पारी इन्होंने खेली थी फर्स्ट इनिंग. What a beautiful set of fielding by team Leap Titans here. दो छक्कों की दरकार यहां पर. 2 बाउंड्रीज. Leap Titans seems to be happy, finally out of pressure after a long time.
Yes, they're going for that first victory, Leap Titans. And now one fair delivery to get the winning ticket, Leap Titans. Here we go, last ball of the match.
Whoa, 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 what a win that was. What a beautiful inning played by Team Leap Titans.
या एब्सोल्युटली डिफेंड किया है, मैच को जीता है, मुकद्दर के सिकंदर बन गई है लीप टाइटंस। क्या बात।